guys, how are you? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I'm reviewing the family of DCK hand tools. And this is going to be my third or fourth sander. So this DCK sander has the attached vacuum bag where what it does is when you're using the sander, the excess dust and debris that's emitted from sanding is minimized because now you have a bag with a vacuum that catches the majority of the dust. So that diminishes the amount of cleanup that you have to do afterwards when you're sanding. You woodworkers and carpenters know that the new technology these days always has a bagged dust bag. Instructions with a couple of extra brushes in here as we unbox this. Power cord and the item itself. It's a portable, small, circular disc, handheld, palm size, and this is the area here for the bag. Plugs into your standard AC 110 wall socket, and here's the bag. There's a little frame on the inside to give it the shape, to maintain the shape. And basically, I think we'll just, very easy to use and straightforward. Put the bag in there like that, and it includes these sanding discs of all different type grains. You want to start off with the heavier grain to get it smooth, and then move your way down to the most finest grain sanding discs to get it super smooth. And that's it. Let's open this up and stick one of the sanding discs on. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the most rough grain sanding disc and place it on. So the finest one is in the front, and the P80 one, which is the most rough disc, goes on like that. Now when you place the sanding disc on here, you have to remember that the holes must correspond with the holes on your sanding pad, because this is where the vacuum goes through the holes to allow it to suck up most of the dust into the bag. So we're just going to line it up like this. Find the holes. And it is Velcro hook and latch, like Velcro. You have to be very careful because it's very sensitive to the touch. When you put it on, it just wants to stick there, and there we go. It has a speed selector over here. Setting is from setting 1 through 6. So 6 is probably the fastest. So let's plug this in and try it out on a block of wood, huh? So here we have a scrap piece of block of wood, right? As you can see, it's very old and ugly and rough over here. Let's try to sand this up so it's nice and smooth. Here's a waterproof covered button over here, a switch. You turn it on. As you can see, you can adjust the speed of the sanding to almost nothing. Let's try it out. I'm barely pushing it down, just letting it slide and hover. If you want to get it to more to be smoother faster, I guess you can put some downward pressure on it. How about that? Holy cow, that's fantastic. I hardly used any effort. I just basically let it slide by itself, and it, you know, I didn't put any downward pressure on until the very end, just to try, you know, but it just glides right over here, hovering. Let's put the finest grit sandpaper on here. Look at that. You can hardly see any dust. Here's the difference in grit. This is the finer one. We'll line this up as such, along with the holes. There you go. It's very important for you to line up the holes perfectly. So let's try this now. Oh, wow. That's incredibly smooth. And look, very little dust. And there's no dust anywhere around here, you know? There's not a cloud of dust that you would normally get with the sander. Well, this is so smooth, guys. It's almost like steel. This video doesn't give this justice, how smooth this is. Like a baby's bottom. Look at the difference in texture from sanded and unsanded. This is what it looked like before. And now look at it. Fantastic. So this is the DCK 5-inch pads, 3 amp corded palm orbital sander. It comes with 10 pieces of the 5-inch orbital sanding discs, sandpaper. And as you saw, there was hardly any dust anywhere, which makes cleanup a cinch, and easy discarding of your sand. The zipper is right here. You could just unload it in a box somewhere. Outside. Very, very nice item. 12,000 OPMs. So I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. Very handy tool. As you guys saw, I didn't read the instructions. Super straightforward. Just pick it up and go. Get your job done. Super easy, super quick, with excellent quality. Thanks a lot for joining me on this weekend product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Next time on Mowers and Blowers.